Welcome to Ikigai Meditations. Find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down and won't be disturbed. Gently close your eyes and start by taking 3 deep cleansing breaths. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Release any tension with each breath. In and out. One more deep inhale. Gentle exhale. Now I would like you to bring your attention to the right side of your abdomen, just beneath the ribcage. This is where your liver is located. It is a vital organ that helps to digest food, cleans your blood, and stores energy. Imagine a warm, soothing, white light bathing your liver with each inhale. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine the warm light becoming more vibrant and gently massaging your liver. Feel this light melting away any tension, stress, or discomfort that might sit within your liver. Your liver absorbs this healing energy, becoming softer and more relaxed. Visualize the tiny cells within your liver working hard to detoxify your blood and store vital nutrients. See these cells becoming bathed in the pure white light, each one glowing with renewed energy and vitality. And with each exhale, release any negative toxins or stress, leaving your liver purified. As you continue to focus on your liver and breathe deeply, bring your awareness to the emotional aspect associated with this organ. Such feelings of anger and frustration. Do you sense any lingering negative emotions? Simply observe and trust your experience. Gently visualize these emotions being lifted away by the warm light, leaving space for only calm and peace. Take a few moments to simply rest in this state of deep relaxation. Feel the harmony within your body, the smooth and efficient functioning of your liver. Let your liver know that you trust its ability to heal and restore balance. Remember that you can return to this state of relaxation anytime you feel your liver needs some attention and love. Very slowly and in your own time, you can gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and stretch gently if you need to. Take one more deep inhale, gentle exhale, and whenever you are ready, slowly open your eyes, feeling calm and relaxed.